Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on dual band GPS on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. To turn on dual band GPS on the AMAZFIT Balance 3, you'll need to go to the app, then select device settings, and now go to workout. Now you'll find GPS settings and you can set it to accuracy, which will use the dual band GPS, all satellites, and it will prioritize accuracy. Then there's automation, which will automatically change based off the current satellite system to achieve a balance between accuracy and power saving. And you can also manually set it to power saving mode, which will use single band GPS, and use low power GPS. Then you can set it to custom and customize it as well. To change the GPS to dual band or single band, in single band, you can select whether you want to use all satellites, GPS plus Galileo, GPS plus GLONASS, GPS plus BDS, GPS, or low power GPS. It'll show you both the precision and the power consumption, and that's basically it. You can also set it to accuracy first or speed first. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.